Searching around for a new auto mechanic take more thought than you might think. Especially here in Nigeria, it's a big decision and it can be a difficult one to make. Choosing your mechanic carefully is essential to make sure that your car is being looked after by someone you can trust and knows the job well. A wrong choice of mechanic have cost a lot of Nigerians their cars, and more innocent cars are still heading for the scrapyard because their owners make the wrong mechanic choice. This made easy, I have rounded up a list of crucial questions you should ask before choosing a Nigerian mechanic. I'm Oluwatobi Jethro. Without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. 1. Are they experienced and certified? Good mechanics have a long list of happy customers and experiences. A good mechanic most certainly have been at work for a long time and have great reviews for their work. They have a good record, which means that you can trust the mechanic and be assured that they will do a good job fixing your car. So, the record matters. 2. Do they specialize in working on your type of car? No, I am not talking about Musa Pujo Specialist or Baba Kamo Honda Hospital. Are they really specialized in working on your kind of car? The make, the model, and the year of production. It's more than being just a specialist. Are they familiar with working with the model, engine configuration, or even the model year of your specific car? The answers to this question lies in the longevity of your car. 3. Are they money driven?
Madam, no be smart way they worry this your bike. Carburetor and radiator, you don't pafuka. If you want fix am, 50,000.
Though this is not a major determinant factor in knowing a great mechanic, but it's important. If he puts money first before his job, you are most likely to run into issues like overcharging, overcharging, and a whole lot of unnecessary charges. He might know the job, but because of his love for money, he would always want you to come back. And you wouldn't like that, my brother. For instance, if you stop by a mechanic shop to repair a faulty foil filter today, 1 week later, you might find out that your car AC is malfunctioning.
You get it? Okay. If you don't get it, forget about it.
4. Are they trustworthy and reliable? Be very sure they are trustworthy and reliable. You wouldn't want to work with a mechanic that lies and steals things, or a man that generally won't stay true to his words. You wouldn't love the end result of that. 5. Do they communicate very well? By communicating, I mean, can they literally tell you the problem with your car without beating around the bush? Show you what's wrong with your car and explain it to your understanding, and not mix up confusing words like
different from blue.
And finally, are they progressive? Please do not settle for a mechanic that do not know what an OBD2 scanner is in 2023. It's okay if they are still on the low scale, but be sure they have a decent workspace and most especially the essential work tools necessary for fixing up your car. Do not settle for less. Settling for just any mechanic have cost a lot of Nigerians their cars, and a lot are still making this grievous mistake. Be ready to spend on your car. Don't be stingy about that. Get a decent auto workshop. It's good for your car's health. To choose a mechanic in Nigeria is a really big deal, and these are some of the important questions you need to ask. Before settling for one, feel free to drop a comment. Let's hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Ciao, guys.